This part of my life, this little part, is called happiness.
Hey guys, welcome to getting ready with me to go on my next journey. This vlog will be about maintenance. Right now I'm actually washing and I'm putting up my hair because I want to wash my hair tomorrow. And then before that though, I have so much things to do tomorrow. I have to finish like really packing so that I can know what I'm storing, what I'm going to throw away, what I'm bringing with me. And then I also need to pack my uniform to give it back to the warehouse so that I can get my deposit. So I have a whole lot of things to do tomorrow. So I just want to just do the easy stuff tonight. If I could pack from tonight, I'll try to do that. As it relates to, because the lady's coming tomorrow to store the stuff. So I need to get all those stuff out of the way. Yeah, but I just decided that I just want to come and start off the vlog so that you can see that yes, this is the beginning process of me transition into wherever I'm going. So today was my last day and you can tell that the room was like sad. This is why wherever you go you should leave a mark, and so whenever you leave you leave an impact and you leave. Like, you know, when time some people leave and then just leave and not feel like nothing. Yeah, when somebody leave, you should feel it, and that's how I felt when my roommate friends was leaving, because you know they were a great part of my life here, and they left. I even ball out me eye, and I could see the manager was sad, even though the lady that made her course. But that was it's just life. And they always say this is what they hate about the seasonal workers, because you get connected to them and then just leave you in 6 months. Yeah, but I have to go. If I don't go, I can't come back, right? But so that's my hair. I'm gonna wash it and then just carry it back. I have a hair to do before I leave. I'm gonna sew in a hair, and I also want to do my lashes, and I have my nails to do. So that's what I'm gonna do between now and Sunday. So yeah, stay tuned for this maintenance vlog, and I'm gonna do everything myself apart from the lashes. I can do the lashes, but I'm gonna do everything else by myself apart from the lashes. So I'll pick up back with you tomorrow. Time is against me, and I realize it's Friday tomorrow, and the people that might come for the bar, so I have to do my nails so I can pack up the something them in the bar, because I plan to carry them with me, because I go heavy up my suitcase and I don't want to carry all that. So I just did my tour. Let me show you. And then I do my nails now, because as I said, time is against me. I need to pack up with something them. Even though I could have leave my nail, but the thing is, I don't want to leave my nails and then we need something. So, alright, you know what? I'm not going to do my nails, because I have like this for me, I'm going to bring, and I have everything that I need. So I'm not going to do it. Alright, let me go check on my clothes. Good morning, guys. Just woke up. It's about 2:12. I'm about to bring my uniform to HR, and the barrel, I already packed the barrel and wrapped it with tape because it couldn't close last time. Like the lid never did that line up, so I had to tape it. Yeah, so basically I got 5 shirts and 5 pants and 5 aprons and my name tag. Then I had to write on a piece of paper and put it in a bag so I can drop it off so that they know that that's mine and they can give me back my deposit. So yeah, outside looking very outside. It's a rainy day today. It is foggy outside, but I didn't know. I didn't expect it. I'm trying to see if I can pick up the last package that I have and to pay my dental thing, because I got this Then I think that I have to pay $10.48. I was trying to pay it online, but it wasn't going through. So I'm gonna see if I can stop by there and pay it. So yeah. Today is Saturday, and I was going to do my hair tomorrow, but I decided that I'm going to do it today. I just released my vlog, and I'm going to start washing my hair. I just finished do someone hair, and it practically took me like, I think it was like 2 hours or 3 hours. I was just sewing in the hair, but the fact that I haven't done it in a while and anybody here did kind of challenging, because I don't remember what to do. But it looked good. It turned out good. Girl dolled up, you know. So I'm going to wash my hair and then put in the hair. But I wanted to treat my hair, but I don't have everything to treat it. So I'm just gonna wash it, put in the leave-in condition, oil it, and then do my hair. So yeah. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la,
So, yeah, to your business, like, yeah, come push up in your fear.
It's the natural law that the refugees bring.
That's why we do answer. Where I was born, the whole world This one I gotta do with the job. Me, I no get time, I did job. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Biggie man, we know you get da. Let me. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride and whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girl them, ride and whip. I know feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything we do, I dey try to do one way. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty survive we be face. Just to make sure.
Everybody start to think, straight.
I did my nails, I did my hair, and I actually have my camera in my bag because I don't want to leave it. I know I don't need to put it in there, but I was just packing everything to see if everything can fit and where they will go. But I just want to let you know that I did my nails. Yeah, looking cute. The hair looking nice too. And I also shaved my eyebrow. Only thing left to do is to wax. And when I was doing my nails, I was like, you know, you should have waxed first. But it is cool. It is cool. Not wax, I mean use the nair. So tomorrow I'm going to use a nair and then throw away stuff. I have 4 bags of stuff to throw away, plus I'm going to have another one tomorrow. I'm here watching movie, and I actually took off the sheets off the bed, if you see, and I'm going to throw those away. I was planning maybe I should bring my blanket because I don't know where to put it, so I'm going to put it in my, I don't know, put it in my carry-on maybe, because I weighed my suitcase and this seems okay, so I know that could fit in my carry-on, but I don't know. So let's see tomorrow, because I know, yeah man. Anyway, I just wanted to update you that I actually did my nails, and I think I like them. I like it. It's the Gel-X nails. Let's see how long it lasts, because I did it like this because I followed the instruction to the T, and I want to see how long it lasts. But wherever I'm going, I can always do my nails again. And I actually did my toes, but they look curly right now, so I'm not gonna show them. Look kind of curly. Yeah, so I'm gonna get something to eat. My last food I may have left. Tomorrow I have to buy something and eat, cause yeah. So toodles.
Tattoo on my mind, body in my bed. If you say that I don't get in your head, riding through the stars, you can catch your breath. I'ma give you something that you never gonna forget. Lay your body down, I'll make it easy for you. Screaming like you never been touched before, moving like we never made love before. We don't gotta color